in my shit so if you would have put in, the fucking eight ball, my bitch, let me be my girl, I get body, so I left my bitch to get started. Went through a house to get her out of the bed, dumb whole shit, it made me mad. She said something that I couldn't believe, so I grabbed the stupid bitch by a nappy ass cheek. She started talking shit, wouldn't you know, reached back like a pimp, slapped the hoe. My father jumped up and started to shout, so I feel like frost cold knocking. If the boys in the hood are always hard, some talking and trash, real cool as your car. Knowing nothing in life but to do with the shit, don't fool me, boy, 'cause I ain't.